Hello literature lovers, today I want to discuss Cormac McCarthy, a very special author. He is an American novelist, playwright, short story writer and a screenwriter. He has written 3 short stories, 2 plays, 2 screenplays and 10 novels spanning the southern gothic western and post-apocalyptic genres. He is well known for his unique graphic depictions of violence and his unique writing style, recognizable by its lack of punctuation and attribution. He is widely regarded as one of the greatest contemporary writers. He was born in Providence, Rhode Island, although he was raised primarily in Tennessee. In 1951, he enrolled in the University of Tennessee but dropped out to join the Air Force. His debut novel, The Orchid Keeper, was published in 1965. Awarded literary grants, McCarthy was able to travel to southern Europe where he wrote this second novel, Outer Dark, and Sutri, like his other early novels, received generally positive reviews but was not a commercial success. A MacArthur Genius Grant enabled him to travel to American Southern West, where he researched and wrote his 5th novel, Blood Meridian. Although it garnered lukewarm critical and commercial reception, it was now regarded as his magnum opus, which some even labeled it the greatest American novel. McCarthy first experienced widespread success with All the Pretty Horses, for which he received both the National Book Award and National Book Critics Circle Award. It was followed by The Crossing and The Cities of the Pain, completing the Bother trilogy. His 2005 novel No Country for Old Men received mixed reviews, which I personally adore. His 2006 novel This Is Quite Special, The Road, won the 2007 Pulitzer Prize and James Ted Black Memorial Prize for Fiction. This work, The Road, is so good I personally refer to you. Many of the McCarthy's work have been adapted into film. No Country for Old Men was adapted in 2007 movie, which also won 4 Academy Awards including Best Picture. All Pretty Horses, The Road and Child of God has also been adapted into films, while Outer Dark was turned into a 15-minute short movie. McCarthy has also had a play adapted into 2011 film, The Sunset Limited. McCarthy currently works with the Santa Fe Institute (SFI), a multidisciplinary research center. At the SFI, he published the essay Kakul Problem, which explores the human subconscious and the origin of language. His next novel, The Passenger, was announced in 2015 and is yet to be announced. He has a very peculiar writing style, including the syntax, and especially in the interview with Oprah Winfrey, which really took him into great heights. In fact, Saul Bellow praised him absolutely overpowering use of language and his life-giving and death-dealing sentences. That's all for today. I hope you must have got an idea. Do subscribe the channel and get all the latest videos. Thanks for being part of it. Keep studying, keep enriching yourself, because only studies and books can only guide you toward the right path in life. Thanks for being part of it. Thank you.